In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom forms for data collection on Monday.com step by step. Whether you're collecting client information, internal requests, survey responses, or project details, custom forms in Monday.com make it incredibly easy to gather structured data and automatically organize it inside your board. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a form, customize it, share it, and track submissions effortlessly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. The first step is to open the board where you want to collect data. Log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific board that will store your responses. This is important because every form you create is directly connected to a board, and each submission will automatically create a new item inside that board. Before creating the form, you need to make sure your board has the right columns set up. Think of columns as the fields you want people to fill out. Start by adding a text column if you want to collect names, descriptions, or general written responses. Next, add a numbers column if you need to collect numerical data, such as quantities, budgets, or ratings. Then add a date column if you want respondents to select a specific date, such as a deadline or appointment day. Finally, consider adding a status column so you can track the progress of each submission, for example, marking entries as new, in review, or completed. Setting up these columns first ensures that your incoming data is organized automatically and correctly. Once your columns are ready, it's time to create the form. At the top of your board, click on the Forms option. Monday.com makes this very straightforward. After clicking Forms, select Create New Form. The platform will instantly generate a form view based on your existing columns. Now you can customize your form. You'll see that each column appears as a field in the form. You can rearrange the order of fields to control how respondents see them. You can also rename field labels to make them more user-friendly if needed. For example, instead of a generic column name, you can change it to something more descriptive, like full name or project budget. Make sure all the necessary columns are included as fields in the form so you collect exactly the information you need. If a column is not relevant for respondents, you can hide it from the form while keeping it on the board for internal use. After customizing your form, the next step is to share it. Once you're satisfied with the layout, copy the form link provided by Monday.com. You can send this link via email, share it in a chat, embed it on your website, or distribute it however you prefer. The best part is that respondents do not need access to your Monday.com account to fill out the form. As soon as someone submits a response, Monday.com automatically creates a new item on your connected board, and each answer is placed into its corresponding column. Now let's talk about tracking submissions. Go back to your board and monitor it as responses start coming in. Each submission will appear as a new row or item. Check that the data is correctly recorded in the matching columns, such as text in the text column, numbers in the numbers column, and dates in the date column. You can use the status column to update progress as you review or process each entry. This makes it easy to manage requests, client information, or any other data you're collecting without manual data entry. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom form for data collection on Monday.com. As you can see, the process is simple. Set up your board columns, create a new form, customize the fields, share the link, and track submissions directly from your board. This workflow saves time, reduces errors, and keeps everything organized in one place. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.